You may have seen it. What looks like a dark puff of smoke hanging over a field in the distance. You might look for a fire source when suddenly the cloud rises and changes shape and direction in a way that no cloud of smoke ever would. As it swirls closer, you realize that it's a living cloud, comprised of birds, thousands of blackbirds, cowbirds, grackles, or starlings, flying en masse, with one mind. It's a common winter sight in agricultural areas. Huge flocks of these birds moving in sync in late afternoon before dusk. They swirl through the air in ever-shifting patterns, then drop to fields to feed, or maybe settle into trees to roost. These flocks are known as murmurations, a term originally specific to starlings, but also used for similar behavior in flocks of blackbirds. The word murmuration means a low, continuous, indistinct sound, often accompanied by a movement of the lips without articulate speech. It refers to the murmuring of the thousands of birds in the flock, and maybe to the human response in watching them, because observing a murmuration of starlings on the wing evokes a muttered expression of awe and wonder. It's been described as a bird dance, an aerial ballet. The birds travel up to 30 miles an hour within the flock. They're amazingly agile. They can make hairpin turns spontaneously without crashing into each other. Scientists have even developed mathematical formulas and computer models to describe the flight. These blackbirds have superb spatial awareness and fast reaction time. As the birds strive to fly as close to one another as possible, copying any changes in speed or direction, tiny deviations may occur in one bird's flight. Those are magnified and distorted by those around it, creating rippling, swirling, twisting motions and patterns. So the next time you see such a flock, take time to stop, watch, and perhaps murmur in awe at the beauty of a murmuration of blackbirds.